still and yet. Two totally different words, very close in meaning, and often confused by many English learners. Does it confuse you? Are you one of them? If so, stick around because after the intro, this is exactly what I'm going to explain. Yeah, baby, yeah! Hey guys, how's it going? Mr. Finn here once again to help you out with some English. And today, what I want to focus on are these two words right here. Still and yet. Okay, so these words are two words that are often confused by English learners, especially those of you who are Latin based, those of you whose first language is Latin based, like Spanish, Portuguese, and I'm going to assume Italian and French. Now, why? Why do the Latin speakers often confuse these two words? Because in their native tongue, in Portuguese, which I speak, it's the same word. So when they use it in English, they're often always using yet, or they're always using still, and like a broken clock, they're probably right once or twice. A broken clock, everyone knows, is right twice a day. You get that joke reference? Okay, so what is the difference? You say, Mr. Finn, oh my gosh, I know I have difficulties with these two words, but I just don't understand. How can I tell them apart? Well, you're in the right place. Now, let's look at still. When we use the word still, oftentimes this word is going to be used in the present tense. Present simple, but most often in the present continuous. Why? Because we're going to use the word still when something is still happening. It's something that hasn't finished, right? I'm still explaining. I'm still teaching. I've started in the past. I'm still working at it. It's still happening. Do you see? Or let's say I'm waiting for some news and someone says, hey, Mr. Finn, do you know? I said, no, I still don't know, right? I didn't know then, and now I still don't know. So you see how that works? It's something continuing, right? So present simple, I still don't know, or present continuous, I'm still teaching, I'm still working, I'm still busy. Great. So what about yet? Well, yet is going to be used primarily in the present perfect. Why? Because yet has to do with something that hasn't happened until now. Think about it. We have intentions. We've had intentions for a long time. So we're going to use yet if the sentence is negative. I haven't moved yet. What do you mean? Well, I have intentions to move. My plans are to move, but until now, I haven't moved yet. So when you're using it like this, yet is going to go at the end of the sentence. And it's used because until now, something hasn't happened yet, right? And the same thing about still, as far as like, I'm waiting for information. I'm waiting for someone to tell me the answer, but I don't know yet. So you see, yet and still can both be used in the present simple because until now, I don't know. I don't know yet. Still at the end of the sentence, it's still a negative sentence. I still don't know. So this is, I think, where people get confused. Remember, still, something is continuing. From the past until now, it's still happening. So from then until now, I still don't know. Are we okay? Yet, I'm waiting to hear from it. I haven't heard from it. Until now, I don't know. So from then until now, I don't know yet. You got it? I still don't know. I don't know yet. That's where people get confused. But you got to remember, still, continuing, from then until now, I still don't know. Yet until now. I'm expecting, I'm waiting, I'm anticipating, but I don't know yet. I haven't been told yet. Are we okay? Great. If you want to see how yet is used even further, especially in the present perfect tense, click on a card. I'll put a card up here. I just want to explain to you the difference between still and yet, because unfortunately, many people get confused, and hopefully now it's totally clear. All right? Great. Look, I understand English is tough. I understand, you struggle, you study. It feels like never ending. My advice to you, don't give up. Work hard. Go after it. Don't be shy. Make sure that you're practicing. Contact with the language, practice with the language are the recipes for success. Okay, guys? Look, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you press the subscribe button. And when you do, make sure to hit that notification bell, because otherwise you're not going to be notified when I release a new video. All right? Great. If you want some personal help, if you want me to answer any doubts, leave a comment below. Follow me on Instagram. Message me, DM me. I'm accessible and willing to give you guys a hand. Guys, I love what I do. Hope you do as well. All right? So, get out there, practice your English. Don't worry about making mistakes, because making mistakes is part of the process. Hope to see you guys next time. I'm Mr. Finn, and I'll catch you later. Bam! Yeah, baby, yeah!